really cool that MIT flew out an entire 25-piece big band all the way to Puerto Rico. When I was a freshman, first joining the ensemble, it's not something that I would have ever imagined, going on tour with Miguel Zenón in Puerto Rico.
Now that you saw the demonstration that they had, I think, ¿tú quieres que yo baile, no? Sí. Algunos voluntarios. He wanted to see if there were any volunteers to come up and dance.
My parents are Nigerian. They listen to a lot of like traditional like African music. And in terms of like from a rhythmic standpoint, it's actually very similar.
A big part of MIT's vision is to take all the skills and the knowledge that the students have acquired and to go forth and spread it and try to use those skills for good. And so I really think that this trip is very much an extension of MIT's dedication to trying to change the world positively.
My name is Peter. I'm from Massachusetts. I go to the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Today we've been talking to middle school and high schoolers, and my goal throughout this process is to inspire them to begin thinking about ways that they can directly impact their own communities.
This area was very affected by Hurricane Maria with flooding of a few feet of water that stayed inside the houses for 16 days, and they had no power for around 4 months.
I've seen a remarkable example of the resiliency of the human spirit and people's ability to recover in any situation.
Close to 300 schools have been closed as a result of the storm, and the people are now moving to reclaim these properties and convert them into something else, like a multicultural art center that'll give students and artists in the community a place to rehearse or a place to perform or just a place to gather and share their art. In the school we just visited, there's no electricity. And so right now they're trying to figure out how can they take solar panels and batteries and supply the power required to run that facility.
I'm extremely grateful for you guys being here this week. I'm sure you know how much this means to me and how long we've worked to make this happen. This has exceeded all my expectations, and hopefully you got something really good from it. I can assure you that everyone you met this week and everyone who heard you play, heard you speak, got a lot from it, and it's gonna make a difference in their life. So thank you so much for being here. I really, really appreciate it. I get so much joy out of seeing this kind of thing happen. I mean, it's the greatest thing that could happen, and it's the greatest reward that music could give me.